Hello all, this is the official launch and a quick course explainer for CAT VRC Crash Course 2022 that we are starting from the 15th of August, Independence Day, Monday. Here is a quick course overview. So this crash course is a strategically designed course for those of you who are just beginning their preparation in August or who started in late July. For those of you who are reappearing for CAT, who could not score well in their last attempt, VRC might have been a spoiler. Or for those of you who are enrolled elsewhere but are struggling with the RCs or grappling with poor scores in their mock tests in this particular section. Keeping in mind that there are 3 months left to CAT, the course has been crafted with the right mix of essential CAT concepts and regular practice so that you can prepare in a systematic and disciplined manner. All the CAT VRC question types and subtypes will be covered in this course. Here are course details for those of you who might be interested. In all, you will get more than 40 live classes of 2 hours duration each, both concept and practice included. But if you enroll before 7th of August, which is Sunday, you get a huge benefit for early enrollment. You get access to our KitKat test series, which is our sectional mock test series with high quality more than 30 sectional mock tests. The price of this mock test series itself is 3,000 rupees, but you get it for free if you enroll before 7th August, thereby getting access to live practice classes also till CAT. So this number of 40 will increase up to 60 if you enroll before 7th August. In sum, this is what I'm trying to suggest. Now, you also get complimentary access to the booster course, the practice course that we run from the day of enrollment, through which you get to practice more than 1,000 high quality VARC questions, most of them with me in live classroom setting, where you get to ask your doubts, compare your thought process with mine, and identify the patterns in your thinking which lead you to mark wrong answer choices. So live classes, after all, have their own benefit. So live practice classes, more than 1,000 practice questions, most of them in live classroom setting. Classes will be conducted at night. It's a night batch, 6 days a week. Live classes 6 days a week at 9 p.m. A time convenient for all, I'm assuming for everybody, working professionals, college goers. And if somebody cannot attend these sessions, the recordings will be anyway made available within 24 hours, so you can keep pace with the course. All the tests will be conducted on our portal on a CAT-like interface to give you simulated experience, and they will follow CAT 2021 structure. Our portal is really rich in test analytics, so you get to identify your problem areas clearly. You get to understand which particular question type is causing the most trouble, so that you and I can together, work on that problem area. 24/7 doubt resolution through separate private Telegram group, personalized guidance, and last mile support till CAT will be provided. You will have access to me. You can discuss your preparation with me at any time during the course. Fees for the course has been kept at 4,500, but as mentioned earlier, as an early enrollment benefit, you get KitKat test series free if you enroll before 7th of August, that is Sunday. And also the classes will be extended till CAT. Live classes, you get to access to them till CAT. This is the class schedule. Barring Friday, we will have classes every day. Monday, we'll have a concept class, and Thursday, we'll have a concept class. Other days, we'll have practice classes. Practice. Not on Friday, practice. So 6 days a week. So it's a right mix of essential CAT concepts and regular practice. Once again, the date of commencement is 15th of August, Independence Day, Monday. For enrollments, please visit the link mentioned in the description box of this video. You may also call for inquiries. The number is mentioned. You may also join this public Telegram group, which is also mentioned in the description box, and post your inquiries here. Thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. Hope to see you in the classes.